unboxing this precious new device. So as you can see here, this is the actual box. We have a nice little black layer of foam. We have a nice little base for our 3D printer. You can see here's the instruction manual. Don't know what this is.
You're great at this. Ooh, clip.
What?
They got clips.
Binder.
No, yeah, this is
Now,
Oh.
how does this work?
part of everything.
Okay, so this is great.
Well, I didn't make this. So.
Okay, let me take the hat down from there, Liz, because it'll just get dusty and we'll forget about it.
Well,
Scraper.
they give you a scraper too.
Nice. Hey, look, a little QR code. Yeah, just take out the QR code thing and everything over there. Oh, extruder. Cool.
No, don't. That's not the extreme. That's the
Oh, wait, yeah, that's right. That's the
X-axis.
motor.
Filament.
Now, how did you lift it up?
That'd be it. That'd be it.
That's the extruder.
How did you lift it up?
I took everything out beforehand.
Yeah, so take everything out. Remember, guys, if this is Campbell's personal computer, 3D printer.
Was hilarious.
The other one broke.
Remember, guys,
That's a Z. That's a Z.
if we mess this up, we gotta take another video, so don't mess up. We gotta put it all back and do another unboxing.
Oh,
To do this. If you need out of another class, I'll give you time to get out of class.
Sweet! I got gym next, but my teacher's out. So, like, it don't really matter. Turquini. Alright, so that's all for the
there's more.
unboxing. Oh, wait, that's not all. You got power supply. You always need this. XT30s. 60s. I use XT30s. Using them yesterday.
Shit a little better. You guys are just throwing shit everywhere.
Hey, YouTube will demonetize us.
You're recording?
Yes.
My bad. Shoot.
Now we got a blue shit.
Yeah, we.
It's funnier if you bleep it anyway.
It is.
Do it, yeah.
This is the
Insert long bleep here.
extruder stuff.
You see, the only problem with this is these clips aren't big enough for the bus bed.